Up in the dusty hills hanging over the Dead Sea, women gather at the biannual Shakti-Be festival for a 3-day retreat with the promise of transformation. Shakti, meaning the divine feminine in Hinduism, is the central premise of the gathering where different workshops, from meditation to dancing, guide the participants to, as they put it, step into their power. Nirit Shapira, one of the leaders of the festival, describes what she believes Shakti energy can do.
What is to be a woman, and how can we shine and be more of what we can be, and change the world inside, outside.
Despite it being a women's festival, it wouldn't be fully complete without a handful of male helpers, some of whom find women retreats transformative even for them.
Another 50 men were here to study, I don't know how to call it, woman abilities or woman language. You know, it will still be a woman festival about women issues and women sexuality and women couplehood, etc., etc., etc. And men will be there as students.
The men at the retreat typically do not take part in the workshops, but their elusive presence is marked by the service they provide to the women participating. Some serve tea, others are in the kitchen or help with certain logistics of the event. As Nirit points out, the masculine presence at the festival is necessary for them to witness the feminine energy the women go through.
I feel that we're so blessed, and B'chai that help us. We're very blessed in male helpers, and I believe that we'll even open it, and we'll let men come into the women energy.
And some participants do find that Shakti has helped them on the long term. Orsol, who has been coming for 10 years since the age of 15, says that the retreat developed her confidence as a woman.
Because of this festival, thanks to this festival actually, I saw what women really need to be. Women can be whoever they want. It makes me, as a woman, as a young girl, when you're 16, you're so confused, you're a teenager, you're a woman, who am I? So it's really made me to see how women should be, and you can be wherever you want.
Though the women seem to find their comfort and freedom at the retreat, the ultimate vision is a mixed retreat, where men and women can have an energy dance and grow together, leaving inhibitions aside. But until that day comes, the women have each other to dance around.